Hello guys, this is Uzair Ahmed. Welcome back to my new video, and today we are going to discuss about linear regression. So what is linear regression? We will see this, and we will see how to make plot for it, and how it is look like, and how we can find it. Okay, so first of all, let's start with the regression formula. So the linear regression formula is y is equals to mx plus b. So whereas m and b, okay, so these are the two things, which is m is equals to the coefficient and b is equals to the intercept. Okay, so what exactly it is and how we can find it. So let's see the diagram here below. Okay, so first of all, you can see these are our variables. So this is the linear regression. We are working on it, and this is for the single variable only. Okay, this is not the multi-variable. This is the single variable. Here I can show you the data set here. See, you can. There are two data sets. One is for the area. One is for the prices. Okay. So these are the variables you can see, and this is the prediction line which I have drawn. Okay, so we have to find out how exactly it is going to work, and we use the simple regression, and where it can calculate the coefficient, and also whereas we are looking for the intercept value. Okay, start the kernel and run all those things. Okay, so here I am importing the pandas, numpy, matplotlib, .pyplot, splt, and sklearn. I am taking linear model. Okay, so I am taking this df.pd read excel, and in the same path I have this file. Okay, so I am checking this. It is df area and price. So basically we want to see the prices on an area wise. Okay, so we will provide the area like the square meter we will place, and it will give us the price for that particular area. Okay, so how exactly we are going to do the prediction model and we are going to create it? First of all, I want to display it the variable like this. So I'm quickly taking x label, y label, okay, plt, house purchase price prediction, plt scattered. I'm taking df.area, df.price, color I'm taking red, and marker I'm using the plus sign. Okay, so it will show like this. These are the prices in the y, and x-axis it is showing the area square meter. Okay, so down below I am going to call the regression, reg is equals to linear model dot linear regression. I am importing from the linear model, and the regression dot fit, I am fitting the model df, and what I want area to be trained. Okay, and I'm excluding df dot price from it. So now when I do it, it comes like this window, and now I can do the reg dot predict, and I'm making 3300. It is showing the price for 3300 square meter. See, so if I change it to 2800, it will show 56,000, 5,60,821. Okay, so this is how it works. Okay, so how it is going to calculate this? This is calculating with the coefficient, as I told you. So reg dot cof underscore we will apply, so we will have the coefficient value, and we will have same like the intercept value. Okay, so how it is working, I am going to tell you. See, this is the formula. We are going to calculate the price. So coefficient, area, we need to multiply, and we need to plus the intercept from it. So what the coefficient we get 135.787. I'm taking all the values here. Okay, I am taking the 3300. So let me here put the 3300 value. Okay, so it is showing I'm taking the 3300 square meter. I want to see the area for this, so I'm taking 3300, and I'm taking the intercept value from here. So this is the intercept value I've entered, and when I run it, this calculation will come 628715. Okay, so here you can see 628715 for the 3300 square meter. So this is how this linear regression formula works. So we need to focus on the coefficient and intercept which linear regression model calculate itself. Okay, so this is how it is going to work. Now here what I'm doing, I'm importing the file with the areas. Okay, and I want to make the prediction model for this. Okay, so I have entered couple of area in the column. Okay, and the same area file I am taking it. Okay, so now what I am doing here, I am taking the p as an variable. Okay, reg predict, and I am taking my model, the model which I have trained. Okay, the pg reg dot predict, this one I'm taking this model, and using this d variable in this file I'm including in it. Okay, so what is this d price? I'm creating a column here. Okay, and I'm taking it as p equal to p. So because in this file at this time only one column is available, so what I am doing here, I am taking an variable p into this and making a column for the prediction. Okay, so when I do this, I will see the area which I have mentioned here in the file, and it is showing next to it the price column which I have created from here, and see the prediction is coming here. Okay, so the same file we can download it. How? d.2cv, and I'm taking the name for the CSV. Index is equals to false, it will come. So now I want to make the prediction line the one which is coming here. Okay, so how we can be able to draw it? I'm taking all the same things here, but here I'm taking the another line which is plt dot plot, and I'm taking df area, and here I'm taking reg dot predict. Okay, so here I want the area prediction, so I'm taking this df, and I'm taking the 2D array. Okay, in the area, and color I'm taking the blue. You can check anyone. So here we can draw the plot. So this is how it is going to work, and how we can be able to see the linear regression. But this is the linear regression is only for the single variable, and in the next video we will learn for the multi-variable also. So stay tuned and subscribe to my channel, like the video, so you will get the notification for the new videos. And thank you for watching the video. Have a good day. Bye bye.